What is augmented reality and how does it help build a competitive advantage? We will demonstrate this using the example of the company An-Elec with the help of this device. And in just a moment, we'll talk more about what AR is and how it helps in everyday work. My name is Mariusz Rozwicki, and I invite you to visit our client's headquarters. An-Elec Sp as OO has been operating in its current form since 2006, but our experience goes back as far as 1998. We carry out numerous projects in the electrical industry, both for the shipbuilding and land-based sectors, serving clients from Poland and abroad. Since we're already talking about history, it's worth mentioning that our experience includes building switchboards, renovations, design work, and service support. And it was precisely while carrying out these services that the idea for more efficient and even more professional operations emerged. Moving on to the details. The final stage of building any switchboard is inspection and presenting the product to the client. This is known as a FAT, or factory acceptance testing. Often, our contractors are people from other countries or even other continents. This makes their arrival on site both costly and time-consuming. That's why we decided to use augmented reality AR technology. Specifically, the RealWear Navigator wearable computer. It enables live streaming of the testing process. Every client can remotely participate in the device acceptance and, if needed, in real-time FAT testing.
First, I would like to show all the components that have been installed. Everything was done according to the design. I can always adjust the focus here. Please let me know if anything is unclear.
That's not all. AR has yet another application with us. Specifically, field technicians can count on technical support from other specialists in the office. Thanks to augmented reality, such a person can receive full assistance from another technician or multiple technicians. They are able to provide guidance remotely without leaving their desks and also get involved in such a repair mission.
All right, so what problem do you have? Turn on the power. We're talking about the main contactor. The transformer should be located below. Please show me.
In the case we're discussing, there's another interesting challenge. We're working on stable connections in areas with limited coverage, for example on ships. And importantly, we already have solutions developed that make this possible.
The need for remote acceptance tests arose for us at the end of 2020. We were carrying out a project to build switchboards for a client from the Netherlands. It was during the pandemic, so the client couldn't freely come to our company headquarters for FAT, factory acceptance testing, of the ordered solutions. At that time, we were already using video calls in conference rooms, but we decided to take it a step further. We moved the cameras to the workshop to present the results of the switchboards we were building. The tests were successful, the quality was acceptable, but the technical preparation for carrying out the transmission required significant time and involvement from many departments in our company. The need arose to find an appropriate, dedicated augmented reality solution. And it turned out that the RealWear Navigator was just such a solution. We chose the set after a presentation at our headquarters. During it, we confirmed two important issues: the system's performance in audio and video transmission, including noise reduction from operating machines, and its efficient operation both on a Wi-Fi connection and when connected via a dedicated modem with a SIM card. As an extension to the set, we chose a camera with a thermal imaging module to have full capability to present operating systems. The entire setup is configured with TeamViewer and Teams, through which we conduct remote acceptance tests with our clients.
At Elmark Automatica, we support our customers at every stage of implementation. We do this with the support of experienced integrators such as our partner, Arcis. Thanks to this, our clients can always rely on us.
We were invited to the project as a reliable partner in process optimization, integrating assisted and augmented reality solutions. When An-Elec shared with us the challenges they face in their daily work during the acceptance of manufactured electrical switchboards and service activities, we decided to propose a comprehensive solution for them. This solution included the RealWear Navigator 520 augmented reality glasses with a FLIR thermal imaging camera, as well as TeamViewer software, particularly the X-Assist module. Thanks to this setup, it is possible to provide real-time visual support, and interactive annotations allow experts to place instructions directly on the screen, which significantly facilitates understanding and task execution for on-site employees. In addition, features such as taking photos and recording video sessions, which can be attached to a summary report from a given session, are extremely useful for later analysis and training.
The implementation at An-Elec is a perfect example of how augmented reality works and the benefits it brings. The RealWear Navigator devices distributed by An-Elec Automatica, combined with the dedicated TeamViewer frontline software, enabled our client to increase the efficiency of key processes, reduce operational costs, and also shorten the time required to complete tasks. We are returning to the headquarters of An-Elec Automatica in Warsaw at 8 Rozeczna Street. If you are interested in the possibilities offered by AR solutions and would like to see how augmented reality can help your company, I invite you to get in touch. Together, we will assess the potential, conduct tests, and prepare your team to work with AR.